Alright, here's my setup. An 89 CRX SI. We got the F20b matched up to a Hydro LS transmission. Got the Hasport conversion kit down there. You know, I had to move everything. Make a mount down here, move the radiator hose, extend it with the 1 1/4 inch coupling. It costs arm and a leg. You know this. It's alright. It's alright. So we got some mounts. The mount holding that up. We got the Amazon headers, cheapest ones I could find. But everyone's like, oh, they break. But look at this. Look at down there. Look at there. Oh, you see that? Yeah, look at that black one. That black middle bracket. That saves you. That holds that thing up. That's alright. Alternator, get a relocation bracket. Nah, bro. I'll just depin it, mark it in. We're good to go. Got a screen on the turbo. Look at down there. That's what I'm talking about. Fresh air. Go up here. Oh, you already know. NGK spark plugs right here. We got the 450s back here. Blue tops. There you go. You know, over here. Perfect location. Oh, yeah. Check that out. It does nothing. Awesome. For all the haters that try to mess with stuff on cars. A few. I got the custom mount right here. Because, you know, I had to go left and right with the shims. So I had to weld down here. Make that hole extend out. All that stuff. Yeah, it sucked. But life goes on. Changed the brake booster with the engine in the car. It can happen. It can work. You can do it. You know, we got the 4-bar bow on there with the Holly. Yeah, we're only at 14. We're going to turn her up a little bit. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we got the Hasport mount. 1,000 horsepower bushing. It'll be all right. What else we got going on? Oh, shout out to Charlie for these traction bars. Look at that. Look at that clearance. I tell you what, man, they used to hit all the time. That's clearance right there on an eBay one. It'd be all right. Look at that. Got the circuit wheels. They are actually less weight than the Lenzos, I believe. They're about the same. They're super, super lightweight. They're awesome. Good vibing right there. Good riding. R888s. You got to get the visor. It actually helps with the downforce on the highway. Not gonna lie. Along with its wing, Matt Dubbin hooked me up with that. GoPro, so I can smack everybody. Always on the laptop. We got the 90 conversion. It sucked, making everything work. Let's get down here. We got the mounts. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, the wiring fell down. That's not cool. Get that. We got the interior. We got the battery location in the back. But look at this. Check out my license plate. Ah, yeah. Smacking them all day long. Oh yeah, I forgot about the K2 shifter. Function form, type 2s. You know what I'm saying right here? They are nice. Once you dial them in, mint, mint, mint. Anti wastegate, bow. Top blow off valve, bow. Had to buy that. That was expensive. It was American made up in New York. It was worth it. That's how we do. Had to cut this in. Airflow, same thing with these. Wasn't getting enough airflow to the radiator. Everything was blocking it. Thinking about cutting this off. Who knows? Just making everything work. That's what you got to do. Got to stay motivated. Everybody's talking about do this, do that, do this, do that. Do it yourself. Make it right. Peace out, y'all.